Hello and welcome back to K 2022. It's Friday here at the show. We're in Hall 9, dealing a lot with combination technologies. Recycling is a big theme at the show this year, as everybody knows. Gunther Klammer, recycling is a big theme. It's actually written directly in your logo. So you're not just faking it. This is part of your core competencies. What are you demonstrating at the K this year?
So NGR is doing in different fields of recycling. First of all, in the post-industrial recycling. So we have a machine here, also in operation on the booth. Secondly, we have equipment for the post-consumer recycling, which means we demonstrate how a waste material from post-consumer can put back into the circle for reuse the recycling material as a valuable material in the recycling. And last but not least, our Lsp Technology we present, and we have a small cinema upstairs. Customer can see how the Lsp works. The Lsp Technology is a technology which improves the PET, which means increasing the IV, the viscosity, the polymer chain get prepared, as well as the material get cleaned under vacuum, and therefore the material is excellent for usage in beverage packaging again, or in different usages like fibers or sheets and such applications. Mm-hmm. So NGR is doing recycling technology in nearly every field of polymer, in nearly every position in the circularity, in the value chain, in order to contribute to the circularity, to increase the acceptance of plastic polymers, and working for a better future.
Right. Getting the raw material, the actual cleaned raw material, obviously a huge turning point in the industry. It needs to be available. It needs to be cost-effective, commercially viable. How do you see things going down the road in this area of business? Do you see, with government mandates and more of an attention on recycling, environmentalism, your growth to continue?
Yes, of course. We never had a situation before. This now is my 10th key show, so I'm very long in the business, more than 20 years recycling. And we never had such a situation as we're facing now, which means we have the regulation and we have the acceptance on the consumer side. So it's the best situation for recycling now. Yeah, we can really handle it and we can show it works. And since I remember, we never had such a good situation. The only bad point is the economical situation now, the high energy costs, but I think this cannot be a very long, this is a short situation now. I think we can survive this time, and then it will grow up again for sure.
Possibly a way to swim against the stream and make decisions now that will benefit in the future. Mr. Klammer, thank you very much for speaking with us today, and I wish you luck at the K this year.
Thank you very much. It was a great pleasure talking with you. Thank you.
Great. Moving along here, continuing with the theme of recycling at the company Nordson, a company really producing all ranges of technologies and equipment. They have a very open stand here. We're going to try and talk to Christian Schroeder. He is responsible for recycling technologies within the company. If we could actually have a word. Christian Schroeder, please introduce yourself. What's your position within the company?
Yeah, hello, I'm Christian Schroeder. I'm the Global Segment Manager for the Recycling Segment by Nordson BKG.
And the whole area of recycling, what changes have you seen over the past 3 or 4 years? Growth or kind of stagnation, especially with dynamic situation of energy costs, possibly raw material supply problems?
Yeah, in general, we had seen biggest growth in PET bottle-to-bottle recycling, and especially for this recycling segment for PET. We had designed special products, and we are very successful with our top customer, and really big companies in the world. We are working together with them. We have good business in recycling.
Where do you see the biggest growth opportunities for your business specifically and for recycling of plastics materials in general down the road?
Okay, I think we identified our business for sure as well. We are deeply involved in PET recycling, polyolefin recycling, and now it's the big change what came orientation between mechanical recycling and chemical recycling. That means for chemical recycling it will come a bigger growing up business. I expect really big growth here.
Great. Thank you so much for finding the time to join us today. Lastly, what is your impression of the K this year? I don't know if you were here in 2019. Has it been a successful show so far?
Yeah, it's a successful show, especially for this show. We have the chance to meet a lot of people from the industry, especially in this hall. We have the biggest recycling family. We have good contacts with our top customers here. We have the possibility to introduce our latest innovation products in recycling. Really great.
Great, thanks a lot.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
So as Christian Schroeder said, advances in mechanical and chemical recycling options, solutions, allowing a broader range of materials to be effectively, commercially, viably recycled, allowing actually a circular economy within the material handling. It's good to hear. It's a good forward-looking statement. We're going to leave it there for now. Continue to join us here online at the K, or better yet, come down to Dusseldorf yourself, meet everybody here, experience new product solutions for the plastics and rubber industry. Thank you.